My name is Blake English. These are the air swimmers made by the William Mark Corporation from California. They're flying remote-controlled fish and sharks.
And how are you controlling them?
So if they're remote control, I can control the tail fin, make them go left, right, forward, or I can make them climb up or dive down. They're very maneuverable. They can fly inside a normal house, no problem. The body is a mylar balloon that's filled with helium, which is very easy to get from a florist shop, Party City, or grocery store. And that'll keep them full for about 2 weeks, at which time you can refill and reuse them again and again. Great for parties, and they're a lot of fun to fly. It's one of the few flying remote control products that I find relaxing.
Have you tested them in like any wind speeds?
They are an indoor-only product.
Indoor-only product, okay. And the battery on the...
Oh right, it runs on 1 AAA battery in the fish and 3 AAA batteries in the controller.
So the controller actually takes more batteries than the fish itself?
The controller takes more batteries than the fish, and a regular AAA battery will fly it for about 4 hours. Oh, they're all on, every single fish is on a separate frequency, so you can fly as many as you want together.
And you said they're available when?
They will be available in July for retail of $39.99.